The video you see happening on February 17, 2026, took place at the parking lot of an advanced auto parts store on East Main Street in Webster, Massachusetts. It's crucial to appreciate just how precious time is when faced with emergency situations. A man was attempting to inspect or repair the undercarriage of his SUV right in the parking lot of the auto parts store. He had used his own portable car jack to lift the vehicle, but failed to use jack stands or wheel chocks to secure it. While he was underneath, the jack gave out, causing the entire weight of the vehicle to drop directly onto his chest, trapping him underneath. Emergency calls came in around 3:43 p.m. Webster Police officers, EMS, and firefighters rushed to the scene. Upon arrival, first responders found the man completely unresponsive and apparently not breathing. Recognizing that every second mattered, Officer Nicholas Caruso sprinted inside the advanced auto parts store to grab a car jack right off the shelf. As soon as the crushing weight was removed and he was pulled free, the man started breathing again. He was treated on scene by Webster EMS, transported to Webster, and later transferred to University Hospital in Webster. Despite the terrifying nature of the accident, police confirmed later that evening that his injuries were non-life-threatening and he was expected to fully recover.